Another change during late perimenopause is increased susceptibility to irritation. The skin may react to heat, cold, or certain ingredients that were once well tolerated. This is because the barrier is thinner and more reactive, making the skin more sensitive to environmental triggers. Choosing fragrance-free, gentle formulations becomes essential. The skin thrives on simplicity during this stage. As women approach menopause, hormonal acne may flare again. This is due to the final fluctuations in estrogen and androgens before hormone levels settle into their postmenopausal baseline. These breakouts can feel frustrating, especially when combined with dryness and sensitivity. But they are temporary and manageable with the right approach. Acne during this stage is a sign of hormonal transition, not a skincare failure. Inflammation continues to play a major role in skin changes during this stage. Chronic inflammation accelerates collagen breakdown and disrupts the barrier, making the skin more vulnerable to irritation and environmental stress. Reducing inflammation becomes one of the most effective ways to support youthful skin. This includes both topical care and lifestyle choices, such as stress management and sleep support. Sleep plays a major role in skin health during this stage. Poor sleep increases cortisol, which increases inflammation and slows healing. Many women experience sleep disturbances during perimenopause due to hormonal shifts, which can create a cycle of stress and skin reactivity. Supporting sleep can have a profound impact on the skin's appearance and resilience. This is why skincare must be viewed holistically. Nutrition also influences hormonal skin. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins support the skin from within, helping reduce inflammation and support collagen. Hydration is equally important, as drinking enough water helps maintain elasticity and reduce dehydration. Small lifestyle changes can create meaningful improvements in the skin's appearance and comfort. The body and skin are deeply interconnected. As women transition into menopause, estrogen levels drop significantly and remain low. This leads to more consistent dryness, sensitivity, and thinning of the skin, creating a new hormonal baseline. But this stage is not a decline, it is simply a new chapter. The skin can still be healthy, radiant, and resilient with the right support. Aging is not the loss of beauty, it is the evolution of it. During menopause, collagen loss accelerates, leading to more noticeable fine lines and changes in firmness. But collagen can still be supported through skincare, and the skin remains responsive to ingredients like retinoids, peptides, and vitamin C. These ingredients help maintain firmness and support the skin's natural repair processes. Consistency is key to seeing results, and the skin rewards patience. The skin's natural oil production also decreases during menopause, leading to dryness and a feeling of tightness. Nourishing oils like squalane, jojoba, or rosehip can help restore comfort and flexibility. These oils mimic the skin's natural lipids and help replenish what the skin is no longer producing. They provide a sense of relief and nourishment that mature skin deeply appreciates. Sensitivity may also increase during menopause, making the skin more reactive to temperature changes, stress, and certain ingredients. This is because the barrier is thinner and more vulnerable, requiring more gentle care. Supporting the barrier becomes the foundation of skincare during this stage, as a strong barrier helps the skin tolerate active ingredients more effectively. Without a strong barrier, nothing else works as it should. Inflammation remains a major factor during menopause, influencing redness, irritation, and slower healing. Calming ingredients like niacinamide, centella, and oat extract can help reduce inflammation and restore balance. These ingredients support the skin's natural healing process and help maintain comfort. They are essential tools for mature skin. Women may also notice changes in pigmentation during this stage. Hormonal shifts can trigger melasma or dark spots, especially when combined with sun exposure. Sun protection becomes essential, as sunscreen is the most powerful anti-aging tool available. It protects the skin from accelerated aging and helps maintain clarity and firmness. Sunscreen is not optional, it is foundational. Another change during menopause is increased roughness. The skin may feel less smooth due to slower cell turnover and decreased natural exfoliation. Gentle exfoliation can help improve texture, but it must be done carefully to avoid irritation. The skin responds best to consistency, not intensity, and gentle routines create the best results. The goal is to support the skin's natural rhythm. As women settle into postmenopause, the skin begins to stabilize. Hormone levels reach a new baseline, and the skin becomes more predictable. This is a time to refine routines and focus on long-term support, choosing ingredients that nourish and protect. The skin can still be radiant and healthy even with lower estrogen levels. Radiance is not limited to youth. During this stage, hydration remains essential. The skin loses moisture more quickly due to decreased oil production, making hydrating serums and nourishing moisturizers daily essentials. The goal is to maintain comfort, elasticity, and softness. Hydration is the foundation of mature skin health and supports every other aspect of the routine. The skin thrives when it is well nourished. Supporting collagen remains important during postmenopause. Collagen production continues to slow, but it does not stop, and the skin remains responsive to supportive ingredients. Retinoids, peptides, and vitamin C can help maintain firmness and elasticity. These ingredients support the skin's natural processes and help it age gracefully. The skin remains capable of transformation. Inflammation continues to influence skin health during this stage, making calming ingredients essential. Reducing inflammation helps maintain radiance, resilience, and comfort. Gentle routines and soothing formulations become the backbone of mature skincare. The skin thrives on stability, and consistency creates results. The goal is harmony, not perfection. Women may also notice changes in the neck, chest, and hands, areas with thinner skin and fewer oil glands. These areas are more vulnerable to aging and often show signs of hormonal change earlier than the face. Supporting these areas with hydration, sun protection, and gentle exfoliation is important. They deserve the same care and attention. Aging is a full-body experience. The emotional experience of hormonal skin changes is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most significant aspects of this transition. Many women feel a sense of loss or frustration when their skin begins to change in ways they didn't expect. But these changes are not signs of decline, they are signs of transition. Understanding the science behind these experiences help remove fear and replace it with empowerment. Knowledge becomes a form of self-care. Skincare becomes a ritual during this stage, a moment of grounding, reflection, and connection. It becomes a way to honor the body's changes rather than resist them. It becomes a way to support the skin with intention and compassion. This ritual becomes a source of comfort and stability during a time of hormonal fluctuation. It becomes a way to return to oneself. Women often feel more empowered when they understand what's happening beneath the surface. Knowledge replaces confusion, clarity replaces fear, and support replaces struggle. This is the power of science-based skincare, especially during hormonal transitions. It gives women the tools to care for their skin with confidence and intention. It transforms the experience of aging. Hormonal skin changes are not a problem to solve. They are a process to understand. The skin is adapting to a new hormonal landscape, and with the right support, it can remain healthy, radiant, and resilient. Aging is not the loss of beauty, it is the evolution of it. The skin tells a story of resilience, experience, and depth. This story deserves to be honored. Instead of viewing aging as a decline, women can begin to see it as a shift in the way beauty expresses itself. Beauty becomes deeper, more nuanced, and more authentic. The skin becomes a reflection of wisdom and lived experience. This is a powerful and liberating perspective. It transforms the way women relate to their skin. This masterclass is designed to help women navigate this transition with confidence and clarity. It provides the science behind the changes and explains the biology with compassion. It removes fear from the conversation and replaces it with understanding. It empowers women to care for their skin with intention and intelligence. It honors the complexity of hormonal skin. Your skin is not fragile, it is responsive, it is intelligent, it is adapting to a new hormonal rhythm, and you can adapt with it. With the right knowledge, you can support your skin through every stage of hormonal change. You can choose ingredients that align with your biology and routines that nourish rather than overwhelm. You can embrace this chapter with confidence. With the right support, your skin remains capable of radiance at every age. You can build routines that honor your skin's needs and respect its sensitivity. You can choose treatments that support collagen, hydration, and barrier strength. You can embrace the changes with curiosity rather than fear. Your skin is capable of beauty at every stage of life. This journey is not about reversing time. It is about understanding time in a way that feels compassionate, grounded, and deeply human. It is about supporting the skin as it evolves, not forcing it to behave as it once did. It is about honoring the body's natural transitions and recognizing that beauty does not disappear with age. It simply changes shape. The skin becomes a map of lived experience, a record of resilience, and a reflection of the life you've carried. When you see your skin through this lens, the pressure to fix it dissolves, and what remains is a desire to care for it with intention. As you move through this chapter of hormonal change, it becomes clear that the skin is not asking for perfection, it is asking for partnership. It wants to be supported, nourished, and understood. It wants routines that respect its sensitivity and treatments that align with its biology. It wants consistency rather than intensity and patience rather than urgency. When you give your skin these things, it responds with clarity, comfort, and a quiet kind of radiance. This is where the wisdom of licensed estheticians and dermatologists becomes invaluable because they understand the science of mature skin and the emotional experience that accompanies it. They know that women over 40 do not need fear-based messaging or unrealistic promises. They need evidence-supported methods that are safe, gentle, and effective. They need approaches that honor the skin's changing needs without overwhelming it. And they need guidance that empowers them to make informed decisions.